What's up sa inyo mga buddy? Tara pag-usapan natin ang lineup ng Honda scooters at ang updated price nito ngayong April 2024. Honda is the largest manufacturer motorcycle sa buong mundo at kapansin-pansin ito sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Dahilan para mabansag ang Toyota ng two wheels. Arguably the best motorcycle brand sa atin dahil sa subok na tibay nito overall, tipid na gas consumption at best price range versus sa other brands na kakompetensya ng nasabing brand. Well, ano-ano nga ba ang mga bago nilang scooters at updated price list ngayong 2024? Umpisahan natin sa low displacement CC, which is ang pinaka-affordable at most fuel efficient. Pero bago yan ay baka naman pwede mong pakiclick ang subscribe button at notification bell para naman updated ka sa mga future videos na gagawin pa natin, God willing, gaya nito. Honda Dio 110, price 62,400 pesos, 109cc, 7.9 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, 8.9 Newton meters of torque at 5,000 RPM, 5.3 liter fuel tank capacity. This is the only carb type in the scooters lineup ng Honda. Ang Honda Dio ay the best scooter in my opinion para sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lamang sa motorcycle world because of its affordable price, easy to maintain, at fuel-efficient engine. Medyo may kataasan nga lang ang seat height kumpara sa Beat at 765mm. Siksik na sa features at this price point gaya ng combined braking system o CBS.
Wow!
Wide dual seats, wide step floor, front hook and retractable rear hook, spacious U-box, LED headlight and position light, informative meter panel, secured key shutter with seat opener, and steel rims with 10-inch tubeless tires make this scooter reliable and convenient. Available din sa two color variants, which is ang Sports Red 2 and Matte Axis Gray Metallic. Honda Beat 110 version 3. Price starts at 71,400 pesos, which is yung playful variant, 72,400 pesos para naman sa premium variant, at 74,400 pesos para sa limited edition in commemoration to 50th anniversary ng Honda. Ito yung tricolor. 110cc, 8.9 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, 9.3 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM, 4.2 liter fuel tank capacity at 742mm ang seat height. Bukod sa park brake lock, combined braking system, PGM-FI fuel injection, ACG starter, at side stand switch ay dinagdagan pa ito ng mga bagong features tulad ng mga sumusunod: new body design, new semi-digital meter panel, new cast wheel with tubeless tires, new LED headlight, new ACC power socket, secured key shutter with new integrated seat opener, large luggage box, 12 liters, and larger fuel tank capacity at 4.2 liters. Next sa ating listahan ay ang pinakasulit na scooter ngayon sa buong Pilipinas, ang Honda Click 125i. Price is 80,900 pesos at 83,900 pesos naman para sa limited edition gaya ng Honda Beat. 125cc, 11 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 10.8 Newton meters of torque at 5,000 RPM, 5.5 liters fuel tank capacity. Seat height is about 769mm. Oops, there's more! Ilalabas na din ng Honda ang bagong color variants nito ngayong April 2024. Comes in two types with 7 dynamic colors. Unahin natin ang standard type. Price ay 81,400 pesos, Pearl Crimson Red, Obsidian Black Metallic, Pearl Arctic White, Pearl Silvestris Gray. Para naman sa Special Edition type, ito yung two-tone variant, same na bronze color ang mags at ang handle o grab bar ng backride. Price at 83,900 pesos. The colors are Pearl Silvestris Gray, Matte Fiery Red, at Stellar Blue Metallic. Honda Click 160. 122,900 pesos. 156.9cc, 15.2 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 13.8 Newton meters of torque at 7,000 RPM, 5.5 liter fuel tank capacity, same sa Click 125i, seat height is about 778 millimeters. Click 160 is powered by 157cc 4-valve liquid-cooled ESPi Plus PGM-FI engine and outstanding technologies and innovation like the full digital meter panel, Honda Smart Key with anti-theft alarm and answer back system, USB charger, all LED lighting system, large luggage box, combined braking system, idling stop system, sporty muffler, park brake lock, colored cast wheel, wide tires, and of course the underrated step board na talaga nga namang malaking tulong sa ating personal things. Next is Honda Airblade 160, price at 125,900 pesos. 156.9cc, 15.0 horsepower at 8,000 RPM, 14.6 Newton meters of torque at 7,000 RPM, 4.4 liter fuel tank capacity, seat height is about 775 millimeters. Airblade 160 is powered by 157cc 4-valve liquid-cooled ESP Plus PGM-FI engine, anti-lock braking system, idling stop system, full digital meter panel, Honda Smart Key with anti-theft alarm and answer back system, USB charger, all LED lighting system, large luggage box, twin shock rear suspension, at new two-tone leather seat. Ang Airblade 160 ay available sa 3 color variants: matte dim gray metallic, furnished with gold 3D emblem plus a special edition sticker on the body, as well as pearl dark ash blue 2 and candy luster red, which comes with a silver 3D emblem. Honda PCX 160 CBS variant ay 131,900 pesos at ang ABS naman ay 149,900 pesos. 156.9cc, 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 14.7 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, 8 liters fuel tank capacity, 764mm seat height. PCX 160 is now equipped with the new generation 157cc 4-valve liquid-cooled ESP Plus engine, 4-valve full digital meter panel na malasasakyan ng disenyo, slimmer X-shaped taillight design, stylish headlight design, bigger U-box capacity, front disc with ABS, fuel tank cap space, smart key with answer back and anti-theft alarm, hazard and ISS switch, secured front pocket with USB charger, rear disc brake, Honda selectable torque control o yung HSTC, anti-lock braking system at USB charging port. Take note, bukod sa color ay ABS at HSTC ang pinagkaiba ng ABS at CBS variant. Kung umabot ka sa part ng video na to, ay baka naman pwede mong pindutin yung like button para naman mas marami pa akong magawa na ganitong klase ng video. Salamat! At ang pinakahuli at pinaka-the best na scooter ngayon sa Pilipinas ay ang ADV 160. Dating 164, ngayon ay 166,900 pesos na. 156.9cc, 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 14.7 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, 8.1 liters fuel tank capacity with a 780mm seat height. Para sa akin, ito ang pinakamasarap na gamitin scooter ng Honda ngayon. Tamang kombinasyon ng bigat ng rider at ng OBR at PSI ng gulong ay talaga nga namang parang tumutunaw ng lubak. Sobrang sarap i-handle, mapa-traffic man o long ride. Hindi ako nagsisisi na ito ang kinuha kong motor dahil talaga namang ramdam na ramdam mo yung pagka-premium ng scoot na to. Anyway, gagawan din natin ng full review ito, kaya hanggang dito na lang muna mga buddy. I-comment mo lang sa ibaba ang mga opinion mo at mga karagdagang detalye na gusto mo pang ibahagi. Salamat sa panonood!